Hello everyone, Rashi here, and welcome to my first video in quite a while actually. I believe it's been 2 weeks since I've uploaded anything. Um, as I mentioned last week, well, it was actually last week. I think I recorded a short. Uh, anyway, um, last uh, these past 2 weeks, I got a total of 17 books. I got three. I got three last week, and the other 14, I got them this week. Um, so I went to the store multiple times. Actually, I went to Indigo in Montreal twice, and my usual manga store also technically 3 times, but I'll explain later in this video. So yeah, as usual, I'm going to show all the books I got in the order that I got them. First, let me just check a little something quickly, because there's a couple of ones that I never remember the name in English, so um, or in Japanese actually. I'm just to get that. Where is it? Is this the one? Nope, nope, nope. Oh, come on. Oh well, I'll try to remember it, I guess. Come on. Sorry about that. This is it. No, this is not it. Oh, got it. Finally. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so the first time I went to Indigo was on July 27th, and this is where I got the only 3 books I got that week. And the first two are actually 2 volumes. The first 2 volumes of a 3-volume series, and it is Common Sense Monster Volume 1 and 2. I've never heard about this series until I picked them up. Looked nice, and it's a 3-volume Yuri series, so I decided to pick it up. And next is another volume that I did not know existed, actually, and it's Danger in My Heart, the novel. I didn't know there was a light novel. It's only 1 volume, though. They didn't make, it's not like a series, it's like a standalone volume. Next, I went to Indigo Store again this Monday, on Monday, August the 3rd, and I got Our Aimless Night, which I read already, and I'm honestly disappointed that it's only 2 volumes, because I loved it. Sorry, I loved it so much. And next, I went to my usual manga store yesterday, and I got 8 books. So again, let's start with Little Miss Vampire Can't Suck Right, Volume 1, 2, and 3. I've actually heard about that series a couple months ago, but I didn't know this series was actually out in English. So I picked them. I actually picked I learned about this series being out in English the same day I discovered this series. So I reserved them at my manga store, and then picked them up when my paycheck arrived. Next is Volume 3 of I Made Friend with the Second Prettiest Girl in My Class. Been enjoying this series so far. I've read Volume 1 and 2 and really like it. Next is I Won't Let Mistress Suck My Blood, Volume 3. Another pretty cool. This is a pretty cool Yuri series, especially if you like vampires. I don't think it's as good as Vampires, but it is pretty solid, especially if you prefer Yuri series that are not as long, because I believe this series ended with 4 volumes. Next is crap. I always forget this one, but it's a. Let me just. Oh, Mineka Kurowa is Impervious to My Charm, Volume 13. I haven't even started this series yet, so I'm really late. Like I picked it up because it looked nice, but yeah, I never got around to actually read it. Next is Tying the Knot with an Amagami Sister, Volume 18. And last but not least for yesterday, a couple of Cuckoos, Volume 26 in French. Alright, so now we're at the 5 books that I got today. And the reason I said I went to the manga store 3 times is actually I went there twice today. The reason is that I needed 1 transaction to be allowed to use my points. So I went to the store, bought 1 book, and went back like half an hour later and bought the other 4. And the first time I went to the manga store, I bought volume 19 of Tying the Knot with an Amagami Sister, also in French. And then I went and got volume 8 of Kukyo Hi no Kanmerinin. I always forget how to spell that one. Next is a series that I discovered yesterday. This is the first time. Yesterday was the first time I've heard about this. And it is volume 1 of Girl Meets Rock. Gonna have to check because the main character kind of looks like the main character of Skip and Loafer. I mean, very similar in design at least. And the last 2 books I got, it's a series that I've been following for a while now, and I didn't know that volume 5 was out, let alone 6. So this is the reason why I use my point, because these are pretty chunky books, because it is Rosen Maiden Collector's Edition Volume 5 and 6, which are like really thick. It's like between 2 and 3 volumes each, that's for sure. So wow, that was a very long video. I mean, for a weekly, even if it's a bi-weekly haul, it's been really long. Sorry about that. And this brings my book total to 2,849 books. So I almost wanted to get like 1 single book to get to 2,850, but I actually didn't know what I wanted to get. And honestly, this one was already a random purchase, so I didn't want to get too many random purchases. So yeah. So for this week, I'm probably going to make a manga review tomorrow. I already have a couple candidates. And I'm definitely going to make at least 1 Anime Planet monthly topic video this week. I have a couple videos in mind. I'm just going to have to check exactly what subject I want to, what aspect of the subject I want to touch. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.